When loading standard polyene film, first remove the bottom mandrel. Insert the mandrel into the roll of film, making sure the film will unwind from the top of the roll towards you. Then go ahead and replace the loaded mandrel back into the machine. Now, go ahead and remove the top mandrel. Let's insert this into the roll of film, but this time make sure the film will unwind from the bottom of the roll towards you. And go ahead and replace this mandrel. Now, go ahead and run the top film under the top idler bar and over the top of the heat shoe. This is where you want to make certain the glossy side of the film is in contact with the heat shoe. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this from a different angle, just to clarify things. Now once the film is through, go ahead and fold it back over the heat shield. Now, feed the bottom film under the bottom idler bar and bring it back towards you. Now raise the lower idler bar back into its upper position. Take the top film and gently lay it down over the heat shoe as flat as possible. Bring the bottom film up and lay it onto the top film and go ahead and close the heat shield. Now, go ahead and replace the feed table. The machine has 2 studs and 1 bar that will hold the feed table securely in position. The heater, fans, and motor control switches are located on the right side of the frame. On the left side, you have the heater temperature control dial, as well as the motor speed control dial. The forward and reverse toggle switch is located on the back side of the machine towards the power cord input. Now adjust the temperature dial to the temperature recommended by the film manufacturer. Allow the machine to warm up for approximately 30 minutes. Take the supplied starter card or a piece of construction paper and lay it onto the feed table. Now turn on the motor switch. Gently insert the starter card into the rollers. The card and laminating film will exit the back of the rollers of the machine. The wrinkles on the heat shoe will generally run themselves out within a few feet of film. If the wrinkles persist, you may tighten the mandrel tension by rotating the tension nut on the mandrel. Before laminating, adjust your feed table guides to the desired position and lock them in place. Once again, turn on your motor switch and begin feeding the product into the front rollers. Gently apply back and outward pressure to avoid wrinkling of light papers. Now, stop the motor and you are ready to set up your side slitters. To adjust the slitters, loosen the holding screws and slide the slitters into the desired position. Now go ahead and relock them in place. Remember to lock both the vertical and horizontal screws of the slitter holder. You may now turn the motor on and continue to laminate your product. To set your machine up for mounting, use the included Allen wrench to turn the roller pressure adjustment screw counterclockwise one full turn. Make certain to adjust both sides equally. Go ahead and lay the product on the pre-coated mount board. Now turn the motor switch on and gently feed the product into the front rollers. The product will exit the back of the machine. When it is clear from the back rollers, stop the machine and cut the product free. To remove the film, simply slit the film above the upper idler. Now, remove the feed table. And go ahead and slit the film between the supply roll and the heat shoe. Now, put the machine in reverse. Carefully grab the film and pull it out towards you.